let's unbox the KUMI speaker. The model of the speaker is 303BT, which has 2.1 channel multimedia speaker system with built-in Bluetooth, FM player, SD card reader, USB reader, a DVD and VCD support, AUX line in with a remote control with standby, and this has a mute, bass and volume controls and many other features, and this comes with a 1-year warranty. And now let's go for the unboxing. And soon after we open the box, we have the stereo speakers, the right and the left, which comes with a decent length wire. And we have the remote with 2 batteries. Continue with that, we have the woofers. This is a little bit big woofer when it compared to the speakers, and we can see the power switch, control buttons and sound controls dials, which include the bass, volume and vibrant controls, and we can see the SD card reader and the USB reader. And now let's connect the stereo speakers, both the right and the left, to the woofer and turn on the sound system, and the power on using the remote to test the sound quality of the sound system, and connect the phone via Bluetooth. You can connect to any phone, but I am using my iPhone to connect this. And let's go to YouTube and play a non-copyright music to test. Let's play a random one. That's all for this video. Be subscribed to get notification for the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Peace.